announcement. Our first exam will be a week from Thursday. So not this Thursday, but a week from Thursday we'll do our exam 1. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of space between the strength materials test, the statics test, the physics test. I understand you recently took a differential equations test. So anyway, so a week from Thursday will be our first exam. Next week I'll post probably last year's first exam. I don't think you'll find it all that surprising. There's going to be a question on there. I'm going to ask you to solve it using loop analysis, nodal analysis. There might be some detail-oriented questions like combine the following clump of resistors into one resistor. Here's some charge through a wire as a function of time, find the current. Or here's some current as a function of time, find the charge, what's the power, that kind of stuff. So again, that exam will be a week from Thursday. I have one extra credit opportunity that you can get ahead of time, 5 points out of 100 towards that exam. So I will just add on 5 points to your exam grade if you choose to do it. Before I tell you what the extra credit is, keep in mind though that the best way to add 5 points to your exam grade is to get the nodal analysis correct on the exam. There's no faster way to add points to your grade than that. For extra credit, if you'd like, you can locate online a free circuit simulation program. The one we've been using so far is this PHET program. It has its pluses and minuses. If you don't mind with the fun, just this morning got caught with, you know, it shows the electrons moving, those little balls. That's always opposite the direction of the current. So that's sometimes a little counterintuitive. You think you've got the current going one way when it's actually going backwards. So there may be some things about that little simulator that you like, things you don't like. You might find another free one online that you like better. If so, notify me. You have a week to do that if you would like. And if you find one online that some free simulator that you'd like to share with the class, send me an email giving me the name of the simulator that you want to show us, and then it'll be a first come first served basis. So if Isaac has one that he wants to show me, he emails me, but then just by bad luck, Ryan finds the same one 2 days later. If you email me the name of the program you want to show, then that kind of locks in your spot for that. What I will ask you to do though is on a week from today, if you decide to go for the 5 points extra credit, I'll give you a couple minutes at the beginning of class to show the rest of the class your simulator. So preferably pick one that you think is something that you think is at least somewhat useful. It can't, other criteria, so it's got to be free. What I mean by free is it can't be a free 10-day trial where you automatically get billed after 10 days or something like that. It's got to be an actually free program. There are lots of them out there. So if you just searched around, there's a lot of different simulators. So if you want to find one, you might find it helpful to also just have another simulator at your fingertips that you like to use. The rest of the class might benefit, and I'll give you 5 points towards your exam 1 grade if you decide to do that. Okay. Today I'm going to start like